Yo. What's up, baby? I'm back. It's your boy Patternpapi. Welcome back to another one of these ones. We back. I know it's been like a month, and today we got another one. We got a goodie. We got some Air Force Ones, man. These are the Air Force Ones LVA EMBs. All the real know that these are the Lord of the Rings Kobe's, if you know what I'm talking about. Play the clip. Everyone in New York, we love our Air Force One. It's our shoe, it's a staple shoe, no matter what color, white, grays, greens, mix and match, and then black. If you don't know, if you ever see anybody with black Air Force Ones, just run the other way. Just get up out of there. So for anyone that's not familiar, I personally call these the Lord of the Rings. The history around this shoe is basically in 2002, the late great Kobe Bryant went to Rucker Park to play in the Entertainers Basketball Classic, and he wore a variation of these shoes, but they were highs, they were Air Force highs. And the announcer there gave him that name for the first time, the Lord of the Rings, which is one of the most fire nicknames in basketball history. He wanted to show that he was also elite in streetball as he was in the pros. And basically, he did win over Harlem's heart at that time. What more do you need to know about an Air Force One? You can literally wear it with anything. Being that this is an orange color, I have tons of things that I can wear this with, including this jersey. I was able to rock one fit with this bad boy. They're not too overbearing with the orange. They got like little stitchings and shit. I like that shit. I like the little subtlety of the orange, you know what I'm saying? It's not overbearing with the orange where it's like you have to wear something orange with it. Like, you know what I'm saying? You can go with an all white fit, you can go with anything. Just a speck of orange in your shirt, like the Mets jersey. Just the orange lining is perfect, you know, just to match with this shoe. Another dope thing is detail they got at the back of it. I'm not gonna front, I have no idea what that number is for. But it is a nice little touch. And another thing is the netting on the tongue, which is really cool, which gives off the basketball net effect, even with the basketball going down it. So it's like, you know, every time you take a step, you pulling from Steph Curry range, baby. You out here with a bang. Steph the D. So with this shoe, I gave myself a budget, and my budget was about like $100. I wanted to buy a fit that was less than $100 that I could rock with this, you know what I'm saying? That I could rock today. I gave myself a deadline. All right, one fit, $100, let's knock it out. And what I was able to pair it with was this Mets jersey, of course. I got this from Beacon's Closet for the low. I think this jersey was about like 30 bucks. It's a Noah Syndergaard jersey. And I think it might be from, well, I know for sure that it's from 2017. The back of the jersey had this camo printed vibe to the name, which was really cool to me. And then Noah Syndergaard is actually one of the only players that I really know on the Mets. I'm not a Mets fan personally. All my friends know that if I ever see a throwback jersey, I'm copying immediately. And the other thing was I got these pants for about 10 bucks, L Train Vintage, which is really cool. I don't know the brand of it exactly. They're like a utility pant, and what you can do really is you can make them into shorts. They can be long pants, they can be shorts. I think they're like fishing pants. Then they have like the cargo pockets on the side, which is really cool. They have a really wide ankle, so I can put it over any shoe I want. I don't have to worry about it like sitting on top of my shoe, making my shoes look weird. You ever get that feeling where the bottom of your trouser is like sitting on your shoe a little weird, and then you gotta do the dead leg. You gotta do the dead leg to fix it. Altogether with the fit and the shoe, altogether we're looking at about like 150 bucks. My goal moving forward with these next videos is I want to show people how to still be fly on a budget. I know what it is to, you know, grind it and, you know what I mean, not have it. I can't get all them sneakers. And then sometimes, you know, for people who have the money to get the sneakers, you can't even get the sneakers anyway because we getting beat out by the bots. So my goal is to basically show you how to get fly on a budget, what shoes you can cop for alternatives. Say it with me one more time. Alternatives. And what other shoes and other products you can get to basically still be fly, to still follow trends if you're a trend follower. And there's nothing wrong with following trends. Trends are a trend. People want to be fly. And just how to be comfortable while staying on a budget. I am going to take you guys on some thrift shops also, some thrift runs, some thrift hauls, all that good stuff, man. I'm glad I made this short and sweet. My last video, the Yeezy video, was a little long, so I would love to see you guys again. I can't wait. I look forward to it. Follow me on all social platforms. I'll leave a link below with all my social platforms. Subscribe, like, all that good stuff. I'm gonna catch you guys. Peace.
You gotta come down here. All right.
Okay. All of us?
All right.
Oh, dude.
I'm good.
He's survived that? What?
Day Day?
I'm good. Sorry about that.